So this question was given to you yesterday. Distance covered by each block. How to do this? Acceleration is calculated. Now we can use the formula. S is equal to ut plus half at square. Initially zero speed. Initially at rest. Half 2 into distance है इसको actually each block one is going up, other is coming down. We are taking it plus निकालने into t square. How much time? 5. So this is coming to be 25 meter. Clear? S is equal to 25 meters. All right. What is the answer of this question? You have to do it. Score. I have given you the hint. Solve and send it. Both the homework today's and yesterday's by 4 o'clock. I want to see. Next one is this. Next question. See this. What will be the option here? In previous exercise, this one. The speed of the stone is increased beyond the maximum permissible value and the string breaks suddenly. Which of the following correctly describe the trajectory of the stone after the string breaks? First case में क्या है? The stone moves radially outward. Then second one is the stone flies up the tangentially from the extent the string breaks. Third one is the stone flies off at an angle with the tangent, whose magnitude depends on the speed of particle. Last one is the stone continues to move in the circummotion due to inertia. Which will be the right answer? Which will be the right answer? Are you there?
So option C.
It is moving tangentially. Yes, because what happens? Suppose at this point it breaks, no more centripetal force, so no more circummotion. It will just have the path like this. Then it will make the parabolic path and comes to the ground. Initially move tangentially, then it will move parabolically and comes to the ground. If this height is given, we can find out this, how much will be the horizontal range. All right, so option number C is the right answer. What about this question number 23? Horse cannot pull a cart and run in the empty space. I can't pull the cart, empty space. How is he able to pull the cart on the ground? बोलिए ग्राउंड में कैसे पुल करता है हॉर्स? Be quick to reply. We have done this. Cart, horse will be pulling us. How are we able to walk on the ground? बोलिए कैसे walk करते हैं?
Friction. If he
Friction.
rides
Same
with
thing is here.
Due to friction.
Same thing is here also. Because horse will push the ground. Ground will push the horse forward due to friction. But empty space, no such things. We can call it external force, है ना? यहाँ पर external force, no external force. Ground का जो था ना external force था. और cart का internal force है. Horse and cart, they apply equal and opposite force on the each other. That is not playing any role in the powered motion. Powered motion is done by the when the horse is pushing the ground backward, ground is pushing it forward. The external force is there. Empty space, no external force. No force of the ground. What about this passenger thrown?
inertia.
Passengers are thrown forward from their seats when speeding bus stops suddenly. What is this? इसका क्या आंसर है?
Sir,
Thrown
inertia.
forward, inertia. और ये वाला? It is easier to pull a lawn mower than push it. Of course, this topic is not done. Friction आता है इसमें. Pulling में friction कम होता है. Less friction. Cricketer moves his hands backward while holding the catch.
Sir, it is inertia, like absorbing the force of the ball.
No inertia, no such thing. Impulse पढ़ा आप लोगों ने?
Yes, sir.
ये बताया था मैंने. V2 minus V1 upon T. Increasing the time means decreasing the force. Increasing the time means decreasing the force. Less force on the hands. So safety of hands is maintained. No external force in the empty space, inertia. Then in pulling, in pull, normal reaction decreases, therefore friction decreases. This part we'll do. Friction में करेंगे. And यहाँ पे देखो, increasing the time, decreasing the force on the hands. Or it less force on the hands. If time goes up, force comes down. ठीक है? So this is question number 23. Let's see what they have written. Okay, ये देखो D का option देखते हैं. To reduce the rate of change of momentum and hence reduce the force. Same thing is there. Rate of change. This is whole thing is momentum. Time reducing the rate of change of momentum means by increasing the time is less force. See, this they are taken as a whole rate of change of momentum. ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं. Reducing the rate of change of momentum will produce less force on the hands. What about this question number 4? Diagram are not meant. Okay, diagram not required diagram. Which one will be the correct answer? Already that homework question was given to you, and that tension is providing every force, all the required centripetal force. Tension will be the answer. Because if you remember, जो कल क्वेश्चन मैंने दिया था आपको, answer is 1 because tension is m square by l. F net is the tension only, horizontal है ना, horizontal में घूम रहा है ऐसा. In that net force will be tension only. Vertical circummotion में there will be net force will change. Weight will also. If you rotate in the vertical direction, vertical loop, then net force will be tension plus minus mg depending upon the location. But horizontal में tension does the centripetal force. Okay. So T is the answer. Here also you get confused. This question was also asked in NEET examination. Okay. There you get confused. You start writing different answers. This. To be clear about the facts. All right.
Yes, sir.
Okay. This question you can try. Stream of water flowing horizontally with the speed 15 meter per second gushes out of the tube of the cross-section area is given and its vertical wall nearby. What is the force exerted on the wall by the impact of water assuming doesn't rebound? Rebound नहीं हो रहा है, wall को ऐसे hit करके it is falling down. So density 10 to the power 3 you can take it. Density is not given. You take 1000 because you need mass. Mass is equal to volume into density. वॉल्यूम को हम x into area of cross section into rho में change कर सकते हैं. X divided by time will be velocity. Area of cross section into rho. M into V. है ना? You need more change of momentum. What is the force? Force is rate of change of momentum. है ना? So you have to make the balance. You have to start from the Newton's second law. Keep changing because mass is not given. Mass is equal to volume into density and all. Distance per unit time will be speed. Okay. So you have to change the second formula and get the required parameters which are given here. ठीक है. तो try करके इसको भेजो होमवर्क में. Question number 28. All right. And try to do all the questions. छोड़ देनी है क्वेश्चन. ये नहीं कि फोर में से 2 करके भेज दिया हो गया. रिकॉर्ड रहेगा तुम लोगों का. क्लियर? सभी करने हैं.
Sir.
Yeah.
Sir, can you please specify yesterday's homework and the time for that, sir? I have been observing that there was a little glitch with the classroom app, that it does not show me the due time.
4
So
o'clock today 4 o'clock. Both the
okay.
homeworks. 4 p.m.
Okay, sir, can you
This
please specify those questions, sir? Actually, yesterday I could not note them down.
they are the textbook questions. This you noted.
Yes, sir.
Question number 28. And one of the question we did it here itself. This one was there 21,
Yes, sir.
21, 28, 21. This was the second part to be done. These two questions similar to this one were there. ये वाला 13 and 27.
Okay, sir.
Could you note 13, 27, 28 and 21? 21 था?
Yes, sir.
All right. हाँ 21 है. Okay. देखो ये 10 1 rupee coins are put on top of each other on the table. Each coin has mass m. Give the magnitude and direction of the force on 7th coin counted from the bottom due to all the coins on top. 7th coin, the 7th coin है, the force on the 7th coin counted from the bottom due to all the coins. How many coins are there on the top? How much force they will apply? Total 10 are there, right? Total 10. How much force will be there on the 7th coin? Due to
Force
all
of
the
six
coins
coins.
above it. All the coins above it, how much force they will apply? बोलिए.
Sir, force of 6 coins.
ऊपर कितने? They will apply that. They are asking above that. See here. Above coins on its top. Due to all coins on its top. इनके टॉप पे कौन कौन से? 8th 9th 10th.
Sir,
How
counted
much
from
they
the
will?
bottom. Okay, sorry.
Position is 7th from the bottom, and above how many coins are there on the 7th? 3 coins are there. So 3 mg will be there. They will be all put together, will be applying the force of 3 mg. They are at rest. है ना? System is at rest. यहाँ पर we have to mention. Take system at rest. They are stationary. है ना? 3 mg will be there. Downward. What about force on the 7th coin by the 8th coin? बोलिए. Force on the 7th coin by the 8th coin. बोलिए.
Sir, simply mg.
देखो 7th coin में क्या होगा? You see here. Suppose this is the 7th coin. है? What is happening? 7th coins पे there will be the force of other coin. एक तो इसका mg है. Other 2 forces will be there. Other forces will be there. 2 coins का force होगा 2 mg. 2 coins का force होगा 2 mg. All 3 forces will be acting together. Means all these forces 2 mg plus mg will be 3 mg. The force on the 7th coin by the 8th. Sorry. Just hold on. हाँ ठीक है. आंसर से देखो. If you make the coins, 8th coin कितना force लगाएगा उसके ऊपर? This is the 7th coin. 8 coin. ये 7th है, तो 8th कॉइन के ऊपर वो बाकी 9th भी लगाएगा ना, एंड 10th भी लगाएगा। ये दोनों 8th कॉइन के ऊपर लगाएंगे अपना फोर्स, ये खुद का भी फोर्स लगाएगा। If we make the FBD, 8th कॉइन का FBD देखो ऐसा, 8th कॉइन का FBD, इट्स ओन वेट mg, एंड ऊपर से उनका फोर्स हो रहा है 2 mg। सिस्टम रेस्ट पर है, देयर नो एक्सलेशन, तो 2 mg, टोटल 3 mg। 8th कॉइन का जो रिएक्शन आएगा 3 mg का आएगा, एक्शन रिएक्शन, बिकॉज 8th कॉइन इज नॉट आइसोलेटेड, 9th and 10th आर अबव दैट, तो एक्शन रिएक्शन न्यूटन्स थर्ड लॉ है ना, होगा कि नहीं बताओ। सपोज आपने रखा कि इफ यू कीप द बॉक्स वन ओवर द अदर, नीचे कोई बॉक्स रख दो, कीप द बॉक्स ऑन द टेबल एंड पुट 10 बॉक्सेस ओवर दैट, तो जो सेकंड बॉक्स है वो उसके ऊपर पूरा लोड आएगा रिमेनिंग 8 का, तो सेकंड बॉक्स विल टेक द लोड एंड दैट विल ट्रांसफर टू द फर्स्ट वन। सिमिलरली हियर 8th will take the load and transfer to the other one, ठीक है, 3 mg, क्लियर।
Yes, sir.
एंड ये भी इधर भी सेम है, रिएक्शन ऑफ 6th on the 7th, 7th 8th 9th 10th, they are the 4th coin, 4 coin है ना, they all put together to they'll apply the force on the 6th coin, so 6 will have to apply Newton's third law, 4 coin का लोड है उसके ऊपर, it will just react with the 4 mg upward,
Yes,
ठीक
sir.
है। लेट्स सी द आंसर। देखिए ये तो हो गया था, इसमें डाउट था। 3 mg डाउन ऑन 7th coin, all the above coins will push it down, तो 7th coin में 8th वाला will apply the force of 3 mg because उसके ऊपर भी there are 2 coins. Similarly this one 6th coin, 7 plus other coins are pushing it down, it is pushing it up with the same reaction, Newton's third law. Action reaction says you have to make the free body diagram and write your answer. In between coins are there action reaction. In this case I have written system is stationary at rest, तो यहाँ पर जो जैसे ये देखो, suppose this is the coin mg, it will be applying the force on mg, normal reaction will be mg, n will be mg for each coin like this. If we take the topmost coin है ना, ये 10th है, ये 9th है, 9th के ऊपर कितना फोर्स लगाएगा, mg के बराबर, बिकॉज रेस्ट पर होता है तो n comes to be equal to mg. They have to mention system is at rest, otherwise it will be decreasing or increasing than mg. So here action will be mg, reaction will be, normal reaction will be equal to mg. Clear? This was 29. Okay. Out of these two questions, you have to do one in homework. One I will tell you. कौन सा बता दूं, ये वाला देखो, this man is directly pulling the bucket, क्या है, block है ना, block of this much mass is raised by the 50 kg man in the two different ways. One is directly, other is through the pulley. If the floor yields to the normal force of 700 Newton, which mode should the man adopt to lift the block without floor yielding. Yielding means break. This floor is going to break if the force is crossing the 700 Newton. You can see this is 75, block is 75, man is 50. So if you make the free body diagram, यहाँ पर man है, and देखो यहाँ पर देखो, this is mg downward. This one here, man is standing here, mg downward, normal action upward. Can you see? And tension, since man is holding the block, this tension will also be there. तो यहाँ पर देखिए, tension is also there. इसका तो मैन के हाथ में जो रोप है वो उसकी वजह से टेंशन आ रहा है ग्राउंड में हियर एंड हिज ओन वेट लाइक दिस. सपोज दिस इज द मैन हियर ऑफ मास m. ठीक है, मैन का मास m1 है, इसका m2 ले लो. ठीक है, तो मैन इज m1. ठीक है, with this I am not making now separate. यहाँ पे देखो, man is having mass m1 and block is having m2. So you see normal reaction here in this case will be m1g, man's weight, and tension that also downward, but tension will be how much? यहाँ पर pulling slowly होगा, है ना? क्या दिया है? Acceleration is not given, तो यहाँ पर raise दिया simply, so no acceleration means in this case tension will be m2g. ये जो m2g है ना, यहाँ पर देखो, this is m2g will be equal to t. So t will be m2g. Simply both are added, and it is to 750 Newton. Are you getting this? 750 Newton is the force on the floor. Therefore, it is going to yield. Floor will bend, will break. Now this is the second mode. Now इसमें देखो tension upward है. Can you see? यहाँ पर tension is upward, and normal reaction is also upward, and his weight is downward, m1g. तो यहाँ पर tension is upward, normal reaction is upward, m1g is downward. So you see n1 will be m1g minus t. So both the masses are subtracted here. यहाँ पे this m and ये जो tension है m2g, it is coming here, and यहाँ पे difference, so 250 Newton. So in one case you can see, in this case both the masses are added up, because normal reaction is coming according to both the forces are downward. Here tension is happening to be upward, right? So both the masses are subtracted in case of normal reaction, so it is reduced. ठीक है, so you can just remember in second case both the masses are subtracted into g, the tension in normal reaction, which is coming to be 250. Masses का difference है 50 minus 25, 250 remaining. Here both are added up. So second case is safe. And you can also feel when you pull the block with the pulley, it becomes easier also to pull, and also there's less force on the surface. Surface will be safe. In this case, it will break. Clear? This was the question number 32. यहाँ पर दोनों फोर्सेस डायरेक्ट लग रहे हैं, ये इसका भी और इसका भी नीचे. So this I have explained you in the class. This you have to do. Monkey वाला देखो. This is homework question number 33. ठीक है, इसमें आपको इक्वेशन बनानी पड़ेगी. While climbing up, monkey is climbing up. up में upward tension is T, upward force is T tension minus weight. T minus weight of the monkey will be equal to ma. That's how equation is made. Whenever it is lift is going up or monkey is going up or block is being raised up, in that all the cases T minus mg, okay, is equal to ma. When it goes down, block is going down and monkey is going down, in that case mg minus T will be equal to ma. When things goes ma, sorry, यहाँ पर when block goes up, in that case T will come first, mg will come second, is equal to ma. Newton's second law of net is equal to ma. When it goes down, mg minus T is equal to ma. Like these situations are there. Every time you make the equation, going up में tension will come first, going down में mg will come first. Yesterday also we made that equations m1 m2 की block की, so that you make the equation and solve this question. Similar question is there. Only two situations are arising, either tension or normal reaction. The block is kept on the surface and surface is going up, normal reaction minus mg, surface goes down, mg minus normal reaction, like that. Either tension or normal reaction. We are dealing with the two things. Clear? This
Yes,
question you can try. Question number 33 also included in the homework. पहले के क्वेश्चन में प्लस 33 भी कीजिए. I have given you full hint. All right. This question is useful for JEE examination and NEET. Okay. JEE and NEET student can try this question. We can discuss separately. Question number 40. So this question I also want to discuss here. देखिए ये क्वेश्चन था, let's see what is this question. एक मिनट. देखिए, what is happening here in this question? If the system is going up with the velocity 2 meters per second, find the tension T2 here. Between this B and C block, what will be the tension in the string which is connecting B and C? So T2 निकालना है. Anybody can anybody try this question? System is going up with 2 meters per second. All the blocks are of 1 kg each, connected with the strings, light strings. What will be the tension between the string between the block B and C? बोलिए. Anybody can reply this? Are you there?
yes, sir.
बोलिए इसका आंसर क्या हो सकता है? थोड़ी देर के लिए ऐसे समझ लो. In place of doing separate, ये ब्लॉक इसके साथ लगा दो यहाँ पर. ये you consider these both block together. कितना हो जाएगा 2 kg है ना, 2 kg. So this tension we have to find out. This tension is carrying two blocks together. Imagine like this.
20 Newton.
20 Newton. Why 20 Newton? अच्छा, गोइंग अप में मैंने क्या बोला? टेंशन माइनस वेट m1 प्लस m2g, दोनों को एक साथ इज इक्वल टू m इंटू ए, ऐसे लिखेंगे. कौन सा टेंशन? T2. T2 इज कैरिंग बोथ द ब्लॉक्स टुगेदर, ऐसे समझ लो. तो एक्सेलेरेशन इज 0, लेकिन है ना, यूनिफॉर्म स्पीड दी हुई है. नहीं, इट इज गिवन वेलोसिटी 2 मीटर पर सेकेंड गोइंग अपवर्ड विद द वेलोसिटी, तो इट इज यूनिफॉर्म मोशन. तो no acceleration, right hand side becoming 0, so T2 is equal to m1 plus m2 into g. That's all. m1 is 1 kg, m2 is also 1 kg, 20 kg, g 10 ले सकते हैं. ठीक है. अपवर्ड में I told you g plus a आता है यहाँ पर, है ना. डाउनवर्ड में g minus a आता है, because we have to send it right hand side, है ना. ऐसे देखो, T2 minus m1 plus m2g, नहीं m, ठीक है. तो ऐसे बनाते हैं हम लोग. देखो फिर से देखो, सिंगल ब्लॉक के लिए देखते हैं इसे. लिसन केयरफुली नाउ. देखो, व्हेन इट गोज अप, टेंशन mg a, तो t माइनस mg गोइंग अप में इज इक्वल टू ma, t इज इक्वल टू m g प्लस a, है ना. गोइंग अप में g प्लस a आता है, गोइंग डाउन में माइनस. तो यहाँ पे दोनों ब्लॉक को सिंगल ब्लॉक एज्यूम कर लिया, ml प्लस m2 g माइनस a, बट a इज 0, नो एक्सेलरेशन, तो 20 न्यूटन. क्लियर? डायरेक्ट लिख दिया था मैंने. यू कैन राइट इट लाइक दिस. एक्सेलरेशन इज 0 बिकॉज वेलोसिटी इज गिवन. दिस इज नॉट द एक्सेलरेशन, गोइंग विद द वेलोसिटी 2 मीटर पर सेकंड. तो जितना मास है अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट टेंशन विल कम. What happens when the acceleration motion is there, then tension increases, plus a भी हो जाएगा. More the acceleration, more the tension. And if acceleration is 0, so whatever the weight is there, that much tension comes. mg, m1 plus m2g. Clear? So this question was there in NEET examination paper. NEET के paper में it was asked. Many students missed this question. They could not get the clue what to do, how to do. Clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Read the question carefully. In our textbook also, NCERT book, in जैसे हमने आपको 2-3 question homework में दिए, in some of the question they are given uniform velocity. It is going up in one of the cases, in 2 cases, going up with the velocity 5 meter per second. In that case, acceleration will be 0. So tension or normal reaction will be m1 plus, in case mg, single block है वहाँ पर, it will be mg. So practice more and more. Try to do yourself these questions. All right. Now, just 2 more situations we'll take. Just how to make the equation we'll see. Then we can move on to the next topic. देखिए जैसे ये है, कभी आपको सिचुएशन ऐसे आई कि there are 3 blocks. 2 are vertically hanging and 1 is on the table, smooth table. So vertically hanging का already हम लोग we have seen. Suppose this is going down, this is going up. Already we have seen yesterday 2 blocks hanging from the pulley. So that will be make like that. That equation will be like this. Going down means mg minus t is equal to ma. Going up means t minus mg is equal to ma. But tension will be changing now. यहाँ पे देखो tension on this t1, on this t2. Tensions are changing. If the string is changing, tension will change. In one string, tension will be same throughout. So this is the one. उसमें same में t1. This is the other one, T2, T2. So that, like that. Now this is the new situation where third block is also there. How to write the equation of third block? This one. Tell me M3 की equation कैसे लिखेंगे? Already M1 की देखो यहाँ पे हमने लिखी है. Already yesterday we have seen M2 also. M2 is going up. So tension first. Mn is going down. Mg first. Now what about this block? Horizontal block. इसकी equation कैसे लिखेंगे बोलिए? M3 की. Easy to write. कल लिखी तो थी हम लोगों ने. कल ये नहीं था. Yes. This was not there. Only one side tension was there. Now opposite tension is there. So this, since we have indicated M1 is greater, this is going down. So this tension has to be bigger one. तो बोलिए F net में क्या लिखें? T1 minus opposite force T2 is equal to M3A. That's all. Here opposite force is also there. So that is to be subtracted from the first tension T1. Clear? Easy this is. If three block is there, you can write it easily. बोले किसी को डाउट है इसमें?
No, sir.
Anybody has any doubt? This already we did yesterday at wood machine. ऐसे में किया था, ऐसे ब्लॉक थे. These two situations are same. Now this is new. So उसमें भी this was also did. This much we did yesterday. This उसमें हमने इधर ब्लॉक लगा दिए. That is T2. To make the three equation and solve it, you can find out the tensions. Also three unknowns are there. T1, T2 and A. Okay. So this situation is not given in textbook, but we have taken the situation. Just anything can be given based on the Newton's second law. So you should know all this. And the best में नहीं, ये बाद में देख. Okay. Now how to make, एक और सिचुएशन लेते हैं ऐसा कुछ. इंक्लाइन प्लेन का नहीं लिया अभी तक हम लोगों ने. इंक्लाइन प्लेन का ले लेते हैं एक सिचुएशन. This we are taking M1, M2. How to write the equation? बोलिए इसमें. How to write the equation?
Sir, is it at equilibrium?
Don't know. देखो इसमें जो है ना, we don't know which block will go up, which block will go down. क्योंकि angle also matters here. इसमें क्या होगा, angle भी matter करेगा. θ1, θ2 and mass will also matter. So we don't know which is going up, which is going down. So what we do, we will imagine, okay, this is going down. So this will go up. So you make the two equations and solve it. If acceleration is coming positive, it means your direction is absolutely all right. Acceleration अगर आपने solve किया, suppose acceleration आ गया, say 2 meters per second square, it means direction is all right. If acceleration is coming -2, suppose it is coming acceleration is say -3 meters per second square. Minus means both the blocks are going in opposite direction. The direction which you have taken will be opposite to that direction in which they are moving. That's the difference. So you don't have to worry कि sir कौन सा block नीचे जाएगा. I didn't come to know, therefore I didn't solve it. No, don't leave it. Take the direction. In physics, whenever you have the doubt in which direction they are moving or what is happening, in which direction things are happening, to decide one direction, make the equation according to that, solve it. If that physical quantity coming positive means you are right, negative means opposite direction. ठीक है, आगे और भी आपको सिचुएशन आएंगी, not only this question. When we see about the friction and all, in that also you will get confused, friction किधर लेना है. To decide one direction, particularly rolling motion, friction in the rolling motion, वहां पर दोनों तरफ फ्रिक्शन होता है, आगे भी या पीछे भी. Decide one direction, make the equation, solve it. If your direction is, if answer coming positive means your direction is all right. ठीक है. So now you have decided M2 is going down, M1 is going up. How to make the equation now? बोलिए.
T
इक्वेशन तो
minus
वही
M1.
रहेंगी. हाँ, यहाँ पे देखो वही रहेंगी, जिस जो सपोज जो नीचे जा रहा है तो एम जी पहले लेंगे, बट यहाँ पे एम जी नहीं लेंगे, है ना. एम जी माइनस टी था नीचे जाने वाले ब्लॉक के लिए, बट एम जी इज नॉट देयर, ये इट इज नॉट वर्टिकल, तो उसका कंपोनेंट आएगा, देखो ऐसे आएगा, एम जी M2 जी साइन थीटा, एंड यहाँ पे क्या आएगा, M1 जी साइन थीटा. क्लियर. कंपोनेंट आता है आपको, कैसे आया ये जी साइन थीटा, कैसे आया, देखो उसको सेपरेट देखना पड़ेगा. यहाँ पे देखो ऐसे, दिस द ब्लॉक, वेट किधर होता है, वर्टिकली डाउन होता है उसका, देखो ठीक है. ये थीटा है तो दिस विल बी 90 माइनस थीटा. यहाँ से हम नॉर्मल ड्रॉ कर रहे हैं, दिस विल बी थीटा. ठीक है. This, if this is theta, this will be 90 minus theta. This will be again theta because normal. This is called normal. तो एक कंपोनेंट तो वेट का इधर आएगा, कॉस के साथ क्या आता है, mg cos थीटा, एंगल के साथ, सॉरी एंगल के साथ वाले में कंपोनेंट में कॉस आता है, एंगल से दूर वाले कंपोनेंट में यहाँ पे देखो इट विल बी mg sin थीटा. तो along the plane, along the inclined plane, component weight of the component will be mg sin theta. Perpendicular to the plane, it will be mg cos theta. That will be equal to normal reaction. And अभी हम नॉर्मल रिएक्शन जब सीखेंगे ना, इंक्लाइन पर नॉर्मल रिएक्शन mg cos theta के बराबर होती है. कंपोनेंट ऑफ वेट अलोंग द इंक्लाइन सरफेस इज ऑलवेज mg sin theta. यहाँ पे देखो इंक्लाइन सरफेस के अलोंग mg sin theta, mg sin theta 1 एंड थीटा 2 लिखना पड़ेगा. यहाँ पे थीटा 1. ठीक है. That's all. In place of mg, sin theta is also coming. So for M1, for block M1, sorry M2 के लिए, M2 is going down. तो weight, पहले weight आएगा M2g sin theta 2 minus t. Rest things remain same. यहाँ पर mass. Now ये force है, देखो. This is the force. Force के तो component होंगे. Tension is always along the string. But mass into acceleration होता है. राइट साइड में मास के कंपोनेंट नहीं करना है, राइट साइड में क्या है, मास m2 इंटू ए. यहाँ पे मास इंटू एक्सेलरेशन, तो फुल मास इंटू एक्सेलरेशन. ये जो नेट फोर्स है, दे आर पुलिंग द फुल मास, दे आर जस्ट मूविंग द फुल मास. ऐसे मास के कंपोनेंट को मूव नहीं करना, एज द होल मास इट इज गोइंग अप और डाउन. और यहाँ पे क्या इक्वेशन आएगी, it is going up means tension first, T minus m1g sin theta 1 is equal to mass into acceleration. The things remaining same यहाँ पर. Only thing force का जो weight का component है, that is taken here and here. Rest of the things this remaining same. ठीक है. Now if theta 1 is 90 degree, देखो कल का जो केस एटवुड मशीन बन जाएगा, this will become 1 sin theta 1. sin 90, this will also be 1. तो फिर वो एटवुड मशीन जैसी इक्वेशन बन जाएगी. ब्लॉक विच इज गोइंग डाउन, इन दैट केस mg minus t is equal to ma. बोलिए, इसमें कुछ पूछना है आपको? इन दिस स्लाइटली एक्स्ट्रा पॉइंट बता रहा हूँ मैं, एक्स्ट्रा पॉइंट है ये, you may not may not come across because in CRD book they are not given question of inclined plane, but in guides it is given. Some of the school they will be taught to you and will be asked to you. Boli, do you want to ask anything here? तो क्या चेंज हुआ? एम जी की जगह साइन थीटा भी साथ में आ गया, उस साइड का एंगल भी आ गया, साइन ऑफ दैट एंगल. रेस्ट ऑफ द थिंग्स रिमेनिंग सेम. गोइंग अप में टेंशन पहले, गोइंग डाउन में एम जी पहले. बोले. और एंड कंपोनेंट भी मैंने बता दिया. इंक्लाइन प्लेन पे अगर ब्लॉक होता है, if the block is on the inclined plane, what are the two earth is pulling it down vertically, and earth pulls the weight down vertically towards its center, and component along the inclined plane will be sin theta, perpendicular component will be cos theta, that will be producing normal reaction, and this mg sin theta will tend to bring it down. Acceleration in this case will be mg sin theta. Theta is the angle made by the inclined plane. Boliye, anything you want to clarify here? Of course, this component we will be needing, ये हमें लगेंगे, but this is extra point. Now you can ask your doubts. Wherever you missed it, just you can ask. कहीं पे आपको कंपोनेंट का फिर से बता दूं. देखो ये एंगल थीटा है, तो एंड दिस इज वर्टिकल लाइन. वेट की लाइन हमेशा वर्टिकल होती है. अर्थ इज पुलिंग द मासेस वर्टिकली डाउनवर्ड टुवर्ड्स इट्स सेंटर. तो ये 90 माइनस थीटा होगा. यहाँ पे हमने नॉर्मल ड्रॉ किया. दिस विल बी थीटा. नाउ टू कंपोनेंट्स ऑफ वेट, दिस वन एंड दिस वन. तो ये तो थीटा एंगल के साथ है, दैट विल बी फॉलोड बाय cos थीटा. अवे फ्रॉम एंगल sin थीटा आता है हमेशा. तो mg sin theta will just produce the acceleration in the block downward, and this component will press this surface. इसको ऐसे प्रेस कर रहा है, तो उतना ही नॉर्मल रिएक्शन आएगा. ये एक्शन हो जाएगा mg cos theta, ये रिएक्शन हो जाएगा. नॉर्मल रिएक्शन विल बी mg cos theta. चलो इसको फिर से भी कम करेंगे. नॉर्मल रिएक्शन जब लिखेंगे that time again we will follow this, n will be mg cos theta. But here we are interested in sin theta component. दोनों sin theta component होगा. दिस में फोर्स का इतना पार्ट उसको पुल कर रहा है, ग्रेविटी का. sin component is pulling here along the plane. Along the plane I am talking. Otherwise gravity is pulling it vertically down, but along the plane because tension is along the plane. तो उसकी अपोजिट लिखना है या उसके साथ लाना है. बिकॉज मोमेंट इज हैपनिंग अलोंग द प्लेन, तो वेट का कंपोनेंट भी अलोंग द प्लेन लेना है हमें. ऑलराइट, so these are the almost all the cases I have covered. अगर कुछ ये देखो यहाँ पे लिखा है हम लोगों ने, सेम थिंग इज देयर. क्वेश्चन है एक्चुअली, ये साइन थीटा यहाँ से हमें साइन थीटा 1 निकाल सकते हैं. ओके, ये क्वेश्चन यू कैन डू एनी टाइम if you know the things. So many questions are there in this, but just we will be doing later on. Centrifugal force also I'll teach you later on. Can we move on to the friction now? Do we have time? Do we have time for friction, or just shall we continue?
Sir, we have about 15 minutes.
Kitna time is? Tell me exactly. How
Sir,
much time is remaining?
Sir, if it is
Can you-
is up to 7:50, then we have 4 minutes. Otherwise, we have
Okay.
15 minutes.
15 minutes. Can we continue up to 8 o'clock, or we have to wind up at 7:50? जल्दी बताइए कितने बजे तक कंटिन्यू करना है?
Sir,
7:50 or 8?
Then there is a repeat class, I think.
You have other class?
Sir, there is another class at 7:50, I guess.
अच्छा ओके चलो ये क्वेश्चन कर लेते हैं, ये स्प्रिंग वाला सिंपल क्वेश्चन है. लेट्स डू दिस क्वेश्चन. अच्छा ठीक है चलो मैं ओके जस्ट 4 minutes वी विल यूटिलाइज फास्ट. चलो ये देखो ये स्प्रिंग बैलेंस है एंड दिस इज आल्सो वन मोर स्प्रिंग बैलेंस and holding the block of 10 kg है ना. तो क्या पूछ रहा है? A block of mass 10 kg is suspended through the two light spring balances shown in the diagram. So options given are both the scales will read 10 kg, both the scale will read 5 kg each. The upper scale will read 10 kg and lower will read 0. The readings may be anything, but their sum will be 10 kg. इसमें एक्शन रिएक्शन लगा सकते हैं हम लोग.
Sir, both will read 10 kg.
How?
सर जब ये 10 kg का मास मतलब नीचे जाएगा तो वो ऊपर फोर्स ऑफ स्प्रिंग फर्स्ट स्प्रिंग पे लगेगी, उसका एक्शन उसके एंड पर होएगा, फिर वैसे ही सेकंड स्प्रिंग पर भी वही टेंशन लगाएगा स्प्रिंग फर्स्ट वाला.
So what
वही
about its
टेंशन.
mass? इसका मास नहीं होगा
तो
क्या?
मास नेग्लिजिबल है ना
Why is it given?
सर, जनरली नेग्लिजिबल लेते हो ना.
नहीं जनरली नहीं रहता, यहाँ पे गिवन है. देखो लाइट स्प्रिंग बैलेंस मींस लाइट अगर यूज किया लाइट देन ओनली यू विल टेक नेग्लिजिबल. इफ दे डोंट यूज द वर्ड, अगर ये वर्ड हटा देंगे तब इसका मोर देन 10 kg हो जाएगा. बट वर्ड यूज इज लाइट मींस यू नो मास. इन द फिजिक्स लाइट मींस नो मास, ऐसा लेना. देयरफॉर ओके, तो दिस विल रीड इसका मास which is 0 plus 10 है ना. तो 10 ओनली, बोथ विल रीड 10. ठीक है देखो फिर से सुन लो, ये तो 10 है, इसका वेट mg, तो यहाँ पर टेंशन जो है टेंशन विल बी mg which is 10. स्प्रिंग बैलेंस क्या करते हैं, वो जो जितना मास होता है ना वो एक्चुअल में क्या होता है 10 kgf होता है, वो 10 kgf है ना. बट उसको 10 ही लिखा जाता है, 10 kg लिखा जाता है. they write like this in the NCERT book also. One question is there. So they in fact they are indicating mass here, but it is, we'll take it like that. ठीक है 10 है और this is light, इसका 0 है. Now this will read both, इनके दोनों का weight, but this since this is given light so 0, so this will also be having the same 10. तो both the scales will read 10 kg. तो ये आंसर है. क्लियर? तो if it is not written light, so we'll read this one will read 10 and this one will read greater than 10. So this is the one of the question given in books, not in our book, SC1 book. All right.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, फ्रिक्शन व्हील we are going to do tomorrow. चलो यहीं पे रोक देते फिर. Just that's all. Do your homework, complete your homework, and send it before 4 p.m. All the 4 or 5 questions are there. Do it. That's all. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay.